In this tutorial, I will show you how to copy and paste in Google Docs. This is a simple process, and by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to do it. To start, open Google Docs and find the text you want to copy. Use your mouse to click and drag over the text. This will highlight it. Once the text is highlighted, right-click on it. A menu will appear. From this menu, select the Copy option. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can press the Ctrl+C key at the same time. If you're using a Mac, press Command+C instead. Now, move your cursor to the place where you want to paste the text. Click once to position the cursor. Then, right-click and select Paste from the menu. The copied text will appear in the new location. Another way to paste is by using a keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl+V at the same time. On a Mac, press Command+V. This will paste the text instantly. If you are using Google Docs in the Chrome browser, the right-click paste option may not work unless you have installed the Google Docs extension. If you cannot paste using the right-click menu, try using the keyboard shortcut instead. That is how you copy and paste in Google Docs. This method works for text, images, and other elements within your document. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you for watching.